Artificial intelligence. Now, this is stats on steroids, a process that learns from past interaction and feeds and learns back into the analysis for the next iteration. So let me repeat that. It learns, it takes an iteration, it feeds it in, gets information back again, changes what it needs to, and then spits it out, gets information back in again, learns from it, and spits it out, which is very human. Deloitte estimates that AI-driven platforms can help businesses reduce unplanned downtime by up to 30% and reduce maintenance costs by 20 to 30%. That's saving you money. Using API powered by Google API technologies, you have access to speech to text, natural language, which gleans intent, and it analyzes sentiment. Dialogue flow, which is a conversational bot, it can translate up to 100 different languages. It has handwritten recognition. So if you have forms or letters that you need to analyze, you can use this API. Search engines are out and search engines and voice-activated assistants are beginning to understand regular human speech and are improving day to day. And they save you time, creating a virtual personal assistant, which you already are using with like Google Assist or Alexa. Now we go back to me, of course, which is that those hiking sandals. If we use those APIs, the Vision API could analyze this webinar, this recording, and use the natural language API to glean vocal intent that I really want those shoes, and combine metadata on where my company's address is, and where their nearest store is, and automate an order delivery form. And hey presto, the next time I walk past my local store, there will be a size 5 hiking boot. So this will help both me, a customer, and you earning your money. Now, with machine learning, you can add an intelligent layer to your data. Examples of AI in the field. Google Cloud and ZSL trialed this technology in a reserve in Cameroon, helping endangered animals, identifying the sound of a gunshot and thus hunters' hotspots, and were able to send out their rangers there to stop it. They also are taking it further by identifying humans talking and human walking so that they can get those rangers there sooner and faster. Another API technology is the Blue Box, currently in a prototype phase. It won the 2020 International James Dyson Award. It's a homemade biometric breast cancer testing device that uses urine samples and an artificial intelligence algorithm to detect early stages of cancer. Well, I'm definitely very, very, very excited about artificial intelligence and have enjoyed the projects that we've been on. One of the major things that we found with artificial intelligence, and when our customers ask us to use it, the first present that we give them is by actually analyzing the data they have, actually taking the processes that are in the individual workers and structure it so that it can be an automated equations that can be used over and over and over again, which is business analytics. Now add on top of that machine learning, and whoo, well, that's enough for me. I'm heading back to Chester.